Green eyes. There's four of the, I think, two big boys and two beefsteaks. Yeah, those are the whoppers, those are the beefsteaks. They're doing well. Onions and peppers up here as well. And got a bed started there, but the coons and the cats keep digging it up. See Rusty under the pool chair. We cut all the old big yuccas off. They've come up new this year, and also relocated some. Lily's getting ready to pop open. They got a few over there. It's two of the last remaining original yuccas, and they're getting ready to bloom. Yep. Let's go look at the job at hand. We've set 100 foot of posts, or we got a 100-foot span. That's how wide the backyard is. I'm going to, Vance shows up here pretty soon, we're going to start sawzalling all these sections off and trying to reuse every section that we can. I think there's only two bad ones. Straight neck popped up 2 days ago. Straight neck squash. I've got some beefsteaks down here, but not nearly as many as last year. But those are crook neck squash, yellow. There's some more straight coming up. And, I love the squash. Gotta have plenty of squash. Here's all the taters. You know, lone big beef tomato. Got several stages of potatoes. These were started a month ago. They've been built up 3 times. Pine needles, dirt, pine needles, leaves. These were just planted a week ago. It's about they're not popping through yet. There they are. I take that back. That's a week's growth. Hey, what are you doing? Those are Kennebecks, the tallest ones in the last row, in the furthest row, longest row. Kennebecks, and I think these are Yukon Golds. These will be Yukon Golds. These are Duke's Mixture. 2 random peppers. Duke's Mixture potatoes. These are been in for a month, at least. In the most pile. Pine needles, dirt and scrap. I think the iris has already bloomed. A few more pods. Yeah, got some pumpkins planted down there, some monster giant pumpkins. Some squash, but it's pretty shady. Just redoing this 100-foot of fence. Mulberry trees which are loaded right now. falling right now. I see it post out a bit. Anyway, we're going to be cutting all these sections off. Salvaging wood all day. Repurpose, can't leave it. Plus it's in pretty good shape, all the bottoms. It's just the ones that the trees grew through. What are you doing? Good, I left it open. You see the mulberries are ripe. Found some good ones on the river. Stopped and ate several times. Biggest mulberries I ever saw. God bless everybody.